Hi, so I'm Sudhin, founder of DYMAXA Robotics and Automation. So we are into the exhibition Expo 2026, where we are exhibiting few demos that we are into generating into a system, realistic softwares. Integrated solutions for robotics, where we give us integrated system solutions for robotic applications pick and place, machine tending, palletizing, packaging, and welding, and much more application what the customer requires. So right now we have ABB robot which is doing a sealant application, and it's been teached in such a way that, and most of the things are precise way of robot teaching, and it's doing applications going on. And we have another robot from Fano, where we are doing vision inspection, where it's taking up the gear setups which we have already did, and it's segregating based upon the vision camera the inspection, and it's segregating the okay not okay parts. And here we are having a Lentec robot from Taiwan, and it's basically doing a pick and place operations just for the module demo. So all the controls and we are doing with the control panel. That's our one of the part of our job that we also supply for them. And these are the forecast of our total DYMAXA products. Thank you.